guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle. It is Tuesday. It's a beautiful day. You want to say hello?
Hey guys, this is me, Justice Channel.
So what are we doing today, Papa? Yesterday you guys saw, look at him. Look at him. Yesterday me and I, let me fix it. Let me feel like I'm too far away from you guys. So yesterday me and I were in the gym because before we left New York, I had to get them all physicals. Unfortunately, Mia's labs came back a little abnormal with certain things. So when I got down here, I wanted to set up an appointment with the doctor here just to make sure we were all on the same page. Long story short, textbook world, she's semi-overweight and a few of her labs came back a little high. We went to see the doctor here. And to be honest with you, I wouldn't say I disliked her, but it's a little different from New York. Coming from New York, I felt like she was very dismissive and a bit intimidated by my questions that I was asking pertaining to Mia. Long story short, Mia was a little worried and Mia was a little uncomfortable. So all we have to do is just get her active. You know what I mean? So that's why I brought her to the gym yesterday, to just make it fun for her. I don't want it to feel like a task or obligation. I want it to be fun. And all we got to do is a little maneuvering around, change a little bit of her diet. For today, it's me and baby boy. I want to make this like a maintenance vlog. First things first, whenever I see the sun out, I'm like, let's get these toes done. Let's go shopping. Bless you, baby. I want to go shopping. I need to get some spring, summer clothes. I want to do some sandal shopping because my closet has a whole bunch of sneakers. I want to do DSW or Target has some really cute stuff. And then I seen that I'm going to do that today. And then tomorrow I have a 9 o'clock appointment to get some... I'm going to go get a pedicure today. I was going to get a fill-in, but my original nail tech that I love out here, he went back to his country. Do some sandal shopping because I feel like I have nothing but sneakers in my closet. And I may just do some heels. I don't know, because your girl still didn't graduate to heels. I be wobbling too much. I don't know. I think it's the tomboy in me. Tried, and I cannot walk with heels on unless they're chunky heels. We're going to get a pedicure. We're going to go sandal shopping. That's probably it for today. Tomorrow I have a 9 o'clock appointment to get some cosmetic work done. Nothing crazy. Don't think anything. Your girl's just enhancing just a little bit. 9 o'clock appointment. That is like a 40-minute ride. Excited for that because I got it done in New York, but I think it's time for me to get it again. And then I don't really know what else we're going to do. Play by ear. Y'all know I'm just spurred a moment. My hair's still holding up and I'm loving it. Today's supposed to be 80, so I really feel like if I don't stay in AC, it's a wrap for my hair. So I'm going to hurry up and do all of this because it's starting to get super hot. Woke up with a damn pimple on my face. So I have one of those patches on. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's one of those boils. It's like one of those big acne. It's one of those cystic pimples. Pretty sure it's from me wearing a mask. That's not going to stop anything. We're still cute or whatever. Who loves you?
Mommy, Daddy, and Tiger.
Why was that to bring Tiger? That's your best friend?
Yeah.
Is Tiger your best friend?
Yeah.
I thought I was your best friend.
Oh, Tiger.
Can I be your best friend too?
Yes, too, and Tiger too. Michelle. Michelle, are you too? Yeah.
Me?
Yeah.
Mommy?
Yeah.
Get up, get in your seat. Come on, we're going. Come on, get up and get in your seat. Come on. 1, 2. He don't listen. He's hard-headed. I'm sweating. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because y'all already know.
She in love with that sativa. When she blow that dope, it's at a leisure. I just sit back, watch her pose like Mona Lisa. She switch it up on me, I cannot keep her. I just caught amnesia. She don't need a nigga for a damn thing. No damn thing, she motivated for a campaign.
Toes are done. Little toe cam. Aren't they so cute? You could absolutely, positively never go wrong with French tip. Where to now, son?
Toy store.
Oh man, I'm hungry.
Let's go to the boy stores.
What store?
Boy store.
The boy store?
Yeah.
What's the boy store?
Because you have to buy toys.
Why is it every time we go out, is it about you? Why do we always have to get you a toy?
Because I like toys.
Are you a good boy or a bad boy?
A good boy.
All the time or sometimes?
Yeah. Big boy.
What do you think about these? These are cute. These are my type of shoes right here. But I feel like I always get these, so I'm gonna try to switch it up. Oh, these are spicy. I love these. These are so cute. Let's try these on. I really wanted them in gold, but they only have them in black. Let's see if I can walk in them. If I can walk straight. Is it giving straight? I really like these. They're so cute. They're like the platform. But the only dilemma is my ankles are bone. I need to be tight around my ankle and it's so loose. Definitely my speed. I could walk in these. I could run in these. These would be so perfect for Lyric and Mia. The only thing is they don't like the thong because the thong is so uncomfortable in between your toes. But like I need another pair. But these are so cute. Croc is taking it too far with these. These are okay.
Hey,
Yo, look over there. Pick which one you like.
I like snake shoes. I like shark shoes.
So let me see. Open the box
Those
up.
are not shark shoes.
What if we can't find shark shoes? There's no shark shoes here. Sit
me
down
try
and try them on.
Well,
Those are a little too small for you.
well, let's see what to do.
You can't fit those.
Well, the baby.
Yeah, you're not a baby anymore.
Well, let's try it again.
All right, let's find your size.
Paw Patrol.
You like those?
Yeah, but the light up.
They do light up? Let me see.
I can't fit them because they're little. Oh,
I like these.
too little.
How about we get these for you?
Wait.
Yeah?
Okay. I just try them.
You know
They're
that's
too
the wrong
little.
foot. You're not even taking your time. I'm not shopping with you anymore.
Or this shoe fit.
It's supposed to be for me. You're putting it on the wrong foot. Somebody come get him. Yeah, come get your nephew. You like those?
No.
Put your foot in. Let me see. Hobby Lobby, prepare to stay in here for a good hour or more because they have everything in here. Beautiful stuff for your home. Ah, how beautiful is this?
Woo! What?
50% of it. I wonder what the original price is. $500, so it's a good $250. It's beautiful. I've got to get out of here because I know I'm going to spend more than I need
You already know how. So you'll notice them getting white like after they peel, and then the color will come back. So 6 weeks is when you'll see like what the color is.
Is she beautiful? So I finally found somebody that's the same height as me. So when I found her, initially she looked taller. So I walk in and I'm thinking it's a different lady, only to find out it's her. Look how little she is.
You looked taller when you were coming out of the car.
She is. So she says she's 4'11", I'm 4'11". So I finally have my twin.
Aww.
And she was so amazing. I hope you guys book her, okay? If you guys are looking for powder brows, microblading, tell them what you do, everything.
Yeah. Microblading, powder brows, lip blush. I'm going to be adding eyeliner and then also feather nano brows too. So hit me up, guys.
Back home, it was like a 40-minute drive, but I had a great experience. Like, she is so good. What I got was something called ombre brows. Ombre brows actually last from anywhere from 1 to 3 years. And I promise you right now, it may look like really bold and like too much for me. It won't stay like this. It's gonna lighten over the course of days. It's a whole process. Similar to a tattoo, but not as painful as a tattoo. You know, when you first get a tattoo, it's like super bright and it pops. And after a couple of days, it starts to itch, it starts to fade. Then it looks like it's ashy. It's the same exact thing. I know they look like, girl, you got too much liner on, because it's killing me right now. It's giving me like clown vibes. Recommend it if your eyebrows are like really thin or you need some type of shaping to your eyebrows. This is so great because I know I'm not really into like the makeup, but like I know a lot of like the beauty gurus and stuff. They're constantly having to draw their eyebrows on daily and make it match this one. Girl, I ain't got time for it. That's just too much. Like, especially if you have a busy schedule. Definitely check her out if you're in the area. I'll link her information. She did great. Even though I have a mark right here, I know some of you guys are probably wondering what that is. I had my eyebrow pierced yonders ago, and so it left me with scarring. So unfortunately, there's nothing I can do about that. I want to take a nap, but I feel like I have stuff to do. I do need to go to Walmart, and I want to get something for the kids for Easter. Even though they are getting bigger, besides Juju, I don't know, I just feel like it's only right that I get them something for Easter. This year is a little different because I'm not in New York, and we always have like a big dinner for Easter. Easter, Thanksgiving, and Christmas is like when all the family gets together. So it does feel a little different, and I want to keep the tradition going because my mom always bought us Easter baskets or chocolates for me and my sister. So we look forward to it, you know what I mean? So now that I have my kids, I still like to give them something. Even if they don't believe in the Easter bunny, I want to keep them innocent as long as I can. It's 2:30. I can have them go to Walmart. I don't know. But I'm hungry, so I don't know what I want to eat. I'm hungry, but I don't feel like chewing, if that makes sense. I want something cold because it's hot today, but it's breezy, so it's not like unbearable. Maybe I'll go to like another juice spot. I don't really want to cheat on my dude because his juices are everything. But I did see another one that was really nice that I wanted to try. I saw this taco spot, so I don't know. But whatever, I'm talking too much. I'm taking a nap. I'm tired. I'm taking a nap. But I feel guilty when I take naps. Like I feel like if I take a nap, I'm missing out on something, if that makes sense. Do you ever feel like that? Like you feel guilty if you just rest because there's so much that has to get done? Or am I just being extra? Like, let me know if you guys feel like that. I think Mia would love this. Last time we were in here, she wanted this.
That exact
Isn't
one?
this so cute?
The Peeps one?
Yes. So if we get this for Mia, I don't know. Or maybe we can make her a basket and put like cute stuff in it.
Like things just for
Like
her?
teenage stuff, like things that she would use, you know, not so much like or maybe
That's nice up there.
what?
Oh wow, those look like flowers to
Those
me a
are
little
hard. They
bit.
look-
They look
they're plush.
flowers. Oh, they're plush.
They're
That's
plush.
why.
They're so soft. But who's getting that?
Oh, I'll jump up there and grab them.
Wait, why don't they have it in pink though? That would be
They
so
probably already
pretty.
sold out. You know that.
I know. This is pretty too.
Oh, that's different. Okay.
And of course, we can't do nothing with Juju over there because he don't want a basket. He wants something. What did he get? What did he got in the car?
Paw Patrol.
Simply Michelle.